welcome to Digit. In this video, we'll be unboxing the SanDisk Ultra Dual Drive m3.0. Now, this is a pen drive that's meant for mobile phones, hence the word dual drive. And on one end, you have a MicroUSB interface, whereas on the other, you have the normal USB Type A interface. The capacity happens to be 16 GB as is mentioned over here, and it offers speeds of up to 130 megabytes per second. You can also see some information regarding how to operate this. So you have a little slide mechanism to extract either interface, and you also get something called the Memory Zone application in order to move files quickly and easily. So when you use it with your smartphone, you can extract images and video files from the popular chat apps. On the back side, you have some additional information. It's namely a compatibility list of the different operating systems with which you can use the device. And then you have the manufacturer and importer's contact information. There's also some mention regarding the warranty. You should always check the Amazon store listing page for details regarding the warranty and exactly what are the terms applicable. And lastly, the app that we mentioned, the SanDisk Memory Zone app, comes preloaded. That's always a convenient factor. So let's go ahead with the unboxing. We've got a little dotted line at the top to cut it open. There is a little pouch on the inside with some additional documentation. So, this is the quick start guide. So in case you were wondering exactly how to use the SanDisk Memory Zone application, you've got detailed information regarding the same. And finally, you've got the SanDisk Dual Drive m3.0. You can see it's got the USB Type A interface on one end and the MicroUSB interface on the other end. This little grip with the SanDisk branding on the center is your slide mechanism, so you can hold on to it and pull out the MicroUSB interface, or you can pull out the Type A interface. So obviously you can only use one of these at a given time and not both of them together. It's open or rather naked on the top and the bottom. There is no plastic covering that's surrounding the entire pen drive. It's only on the sides, so it's also a little compact if you look at it that way. So that's it for the unboxing of the SanDisk Ultra Dual Drive m3.0 pen drive for mobile phones. Thank you for watching.